Bugungi darsimizda biz ingliz tilida o'tgan oddiy zamonda gapirishni o'rganamiz. Bu zamonning nomi past simple, ya'ni oddiy o'tgan zamon. Oddiy fe'ldan boshlaymiz. Misol uchun work ishlamoq fe'li. Men ishlaganman. I worked. Sen ishlagansan. You worked. U ishlagan. He, she, it worked. Shaxsiga qarab, jinsiga qarab. We worked. Biz ishlaganmiz. You worked. Siz ishlagansiz. They worked. Ular ishlaganlar. Misol tariqasida mana bu gapni oldim. I worked in a bank. Men bankda ishlaganman. Va shu bilan birga siz ko'rsatishingiz mumkin yilini, misol uchun in 2013 deylik. 2013-yilda. Yana boshqa fe'l o'zingizni sinab ko'ring. Visit tashrif buyurmoq, cook pishirmoq. O'tgan zamonda inkor gapni tuzishimiz uchun bizga yordamchi fe'l didn't kerak bo'ladi. Barcha olmoshlar uchun. I didn't work. You didn't work. We didn't work. They didn't work. He didn't work. She didn't work. It didn't work. O'zingizni sinab ko'ring, bu fe'llarda ham tuslab chiqing. Misol, he didn't visit his friends yesterday. We didn't cook dinner last night. Yesterday kecha, last night o'tgan kecha. Shu bilan bir qatorda inkor gap bilan birgalikda so'roq gapni ham o'rganib ketaylik. Demak, yordamchi fe'l yana did fe'li bo'lib ishlaydi va fe'limiz o'z shaklida. Did you work? Misol uchun, did you finish school in 2000? Ha, yes I did. No I didn't. Demak, bu yerda ham bizga yordamchi fe'l did yordam beradi.